Okay, so I brought tape out to make a big frickin' whatchamacallit sparkler. So I got this big piece of tape, and we taped the two sparklers together, and Jaden's gonna light it. So light it. And lip gloss. Lip gloss is good.
Watch it not work.
Watch Jaden frickin'. Let's move it away from the other fireworks. Okay.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
Let someone else do it.
Yeah. Hold it. Ooh. Can't even light it.
The camera flicking.
Ow!
Let me do it, obviously. Okay, don't drop the camera. My butt is grass, and my mom's got a lawnmower. The cup of safety.
Down to the gutter. Okay. This is a cup of safety.
This is ghetto, dude. Frick. Okay, I got it.
We're lighting another one.
Of course, the wind's gonna be ghetto.
Is that good?
Watch, I'm gonna blow. Jaden!
I want to see if this will light.
I wish we had the water.
Look at Jaden got a sparkler. It sparkled.
Oh, that was on the freaking nail thing.